and I'm back and I'm hungry for more. Are you? This is a special edition to Youthful Skin through the kitchen. Let's hear how Dr. Mansi Spitara can help us all glow and glitter naturally.
Hi friends, I have to start this session with a huge thank you to all my viewers and my patients across 89 countries for your immense love, messages, calls, appreciation for my last session on good skin. And so it's true, we are what we eat. So if my gut is healthy, my skin will glow, my hair will shine and I'll stay fine. My own personal experience tells me that even chronically ill people start to get better if they choose to pick up a diet that suits them. So going to a health consultant or going to a dietitian or a nutritionist does not mean weight loss. It means for as long as I am walking on this planet Earth, I want to be strong, I want to be healthy. What brings me here today, on a very special request, I am doing a session on face packs. So while we are what we eat and it's the food that will make your skin glow, let these tried and tested and my personally researched face packs be like icing on the cake. Let them accentuate your skin even more. Just a word of caution, wherever we try something new on our skin, it's always recommended that we take a patch test because all our skins are unique and we would react uniquely to various things. The first pack that I'm talking about is for dry skin. Dry skin is when your skin becomes like stretchy and flaky and sometimes very itchy, and no matter how much of moisturizers I'm using, it's still not giving me relief. So let's talk about a pack for that kind of a skin. So the pack that I would talk about will give a lot of nourishment to the cells of your skin so that they stay supple for longer. What are the contents of this pack? Papaya. And when it's from your own backyard, it becomes even more healthier. So take about a spoon of grated papaya, maybe half or less than half a banana mashed, one small spoon of raw milk, remember raw milk, and egg yolk. For dry skin, we are not using egg white, we are using egg yolk. And then I have this honey, organic honey. So half a spoon of organic honey, half a spoon of aloe vera. Fresh aloe vera grown in it can grow even in a small flower pot, right? See, it's all gel inside if you break the leaf. Can you see this? So this is the gel that I want you to use, maybe half a spoon. Some almonds and some haldi. My own favorite turmeric, whatever I do, it's always turmeric. So about 2 pinches of turmeric, some almonds if you can see, and a capsule of vitamin E. You have to just puncture it and squeeze out the oil. Now you have to mix all this and apply on your face and let it sit for good 20 minutes. One word here, while the pack is on your face, you don't have to talk. It's me time. So put a pack on your face and don't try and talk through gestures and expressions and trying to tell something to somebody, nothing. Lay back, put a eye pad on your eyes of cucumber or maybe ice water and enjoy those 20 minutes. After that, wash your face. While you're washing it, try to massage it very lightly with nimble fingers and wash it with fresh water. Post this, you can apply some moisturizer. Even if you use this pack twice a week, I think it should help you immensely. This brings me to oily skin. Oily skin, when you feel that stickiness and the moment after, some people have so much of an oily skin that even after 2 hours they feel the need to wash their face. For oily skin people, it's always recommended to wash your face frequently and to keep it clean. Because of extra secretion of oil through the glands, your skin pores tend to get blocked, and that is why lots of skin issues happen. So today I am going to talk about a pack for oily skin, which would though help you reduce the production of extra oil, but will not deplete the natural oil of your skin, which means the quality of your skin will become better. And this is a very special pack, and the content of this pack is masoor dal. Can you see this? Orange wala, the malka masoor that we talk about here. Can you see this? This is masoor dal, right? So what you have to do, you have to soak this dal overnight in some water. In the morning, grind it in a mixie or a grinder and make a little paste out of it, maybe about 2 spoonfuls, and some lemon. So we take a lemon, maybe not this big one, you can take a smaller one, or squeeze just about 1 teaspoon of lemon into it, and add a spoon of raw milk. If your skin is very oily, you can skip raw milk, right? And you can add some rose water, right? So now you have to just mix up all the contents together, apply it on your face, leave it for about 25 odd minutes, or you can see that it becomes slightly dry. Again, word of caution, do not talk while the pack is on, and then wash it with fresh water with massaging it in circular motions. Your hand should always go upwards, remember that. Post this to apply a light gel based moisturizer or a sunscreen. Now I want to talk about one pack which has been most requested for, and that is acne. Now, acne is a very common problem both in teenage and sometimes in adults as well, both boys and girls, and very difficult to handle and we all want them to go away. So here is the pack which will help you let the acne go away forever. How? First content is tomato. Very good to eat, very good for my gut, very good for my skin. So cut half of tomato and grate it and make it into a paste. 1 tablespoon or 2 teaspoons of cucumber juice, which has a very cooling effect on your skin. Aloe vera gel again, this is like food to my skin, nourishment to my skin, water to my skin, right? Along with this, we need to include these 3 things. I don't know if you can see these. This is neem powder, very easily available in the market. Otherwise, you can dry neem leaves at home, or you can just take fresh neem leaves and make a paste out of it. This is neem powder. This is multani mitti. Multani mitti fillers are very easily available and a miracle for acne prone skin. And again, some haldi which acts as an antiseptic. Along with this, you have to add about half a teaspoon of lemon and some rose water if it's becoming very thick. Now mix them all up, apply it on your face slightly and let it sit for good 20 minutes. And don't move, don't talk. Now, when you are washing this acne pack for acne, we do not massage. We will not massage and wash this pack. We will sprinkle water on our face and lightly with very nimble fingers take off the pack from our skin without harming my acne. We don't want to pinch our acne. We don't want to touch them. Just leave them alone. Use this pack twice, maybe thrice a week, and gradually you will see your acne will go away along with all the tips that I have mentioned in my last video. This brings me to the second most demanded face packs of all, which is dark circles. Dark circles and puffiness of the eyes. It can happen due to various reasons: strain, sunlight, phones, television, lack of good food, sleeping pattern, everything, right? But here's a quick remedy, along with, of course, good food. We'll begin with cucumber, grated cucumber. Just grate it and use that. then potato juice. So take a potato, grate it, squeeze out the juice and use about a teaspoon of it, and then egg white. So we have egg white along with potato, maybe half a spoon of egg white, and then comes the star performer, green tea. So you can take any green tea bag, cut it open, pour the contents out and mix it with cucumber, potato and egg white. Now you can place it lightly under your eye, and then you can place a cotton pad or maybe just a cotton on it so that it stays on your skin for a while. Keep it for 20 minutes and then wash it with fresh water, but lightly. Move it slightly, very nimble fingers, and slowly move it outside and remove it from under your skin, and then apply a light moisturizer. Potato has huge skin lightening properties. So it will lighten the skin gradually. Egg will prevent crow's feet, it will prevent fine lines and wrinkles and give nourishment to your skin. Cucumber, of course, will do away with the puffiness because it has huge cooling properties, right? So all together, and green tea is an antioxidant which would also help you immensely. Right, so use this and slowly and gradually you will see your dark circles are gone forever, along with good food and loads of water. Now I am letting you into a small secret of mine. This secret pack will lead to illumination, glow and the glitter that we all are always looking forward to. So ladies and gentlemen, please pay attention. This is my personally researched, tried and tested pack, and it never fails to make me happy. And I'm sure you will get immense benefits out of it. Let's pay attention to the contents. The first content is rice. Rice? खाने नहीं देती मैं, लगाने दूंगी पक्का से. So rice is very important content of this pack. Take some rice, soak them overnight and boil them the next morning. Next content is almonds. So take couple of almonds, soak them overnight, peel them the next morning and make them into a paste. Now what do we have other than almonds? Of course, haldi, my every time favorite, and my vitamin E capsule. We'll puncture it and we'll squeeze out the oil. Other than this, what we have to use is oats. White oats, right? Simple plain white oats, take a spoonful of it. So we are taking 2 tablespoons of boiled rice, and I am taking about 4 to 5 almonds. I am taking 2 pinches of turmeric. I am taking 1 capsule of vitamin E. I am taking half a spoon of organic honey, and I am taking half a teaspoon of lemon, and oats I think I have mentioned 1 tablespoon. So 2 tablespoons of rice, 1 tablespoon of oats, 2 pinches of turmeric, 5 almonds, 1 capsule oil out of the capsule of vitamin E, half a teaspoon of honey and half a teaspoon of lemon. Other than this, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Now we need to put all the contents in a grinder and mix it up. Now store this content, it will become nice and creamy, and you can store it in a glass bottle, and under refrigeration it can comfortably stay for about a week, 10 days. So you can use it twice, thrice a week also. Now let it sit for good 25 minutes, take some cotton, dip it in cucumber juice and put it over your eyes, relax, let the pack do its job, get up, wash it off with fresh water, slowly massaging your face in upward direction. Use a light moisturizer or a sunscreen. If you keep using this regularly, gradually you will see the texture of your skin, your complexion, all the spots, fine lines and wrinkles, everything will gradually go away. There will be a lot of glow healthy glow on your skin. People who have very oily skin can try it with rice powder. They may not use boiled rice. This brings me to a very special request, though this entire episode has been on face packs, but there was a very sweet request, and they wanted to know about the skin of our underarms. Gradually, because of sweating or any other skin issues, the skin for many people gets darker under there. There's a very simple solution to this. Baking soda. These days we all know what baking soda is for all the cakes and all that we've been making. So baking soda and lemon. That's about it. Just mix up baking soda and lemon, apply it on your underarms, let it sit for 7 to 8 minutes and wash it off with cool water. But a word of caution, many a times we may have a small cut or some pimple or something on our underarms, and lemon may itch us or may cause a little burning sensation. Wash it off immediately. But this small trick used regularly, as Trisha said in the last episode, good skin is a commitment, not a miracle. So keep using it and gradually your skin will become very clear. Thank you. Still, I would like to repeat myself, let these packs be like the icing on the cake. Eat good food, drink lots of water, exercise, meditate, and let your skin talk about your health. If you have any more questions, any doubts, you want to know more about the face packs, please feel free to ask me anytime. Thank you so much.
Such illuminating information. My skin seems to be radiating already. This has to continue. Soon we will be back with tips from Dr. Mansi Spitara on skin and hair. Please do like and subscribe and tune in for the next video on men's health. Thank you for watching.